How to create a Whatnot account. Creating a Whatnot account lets us buy, sell, and join the live auctions. So if we do not sign up properly, we cannot participate in the live sales or manage collectibles. So let's get started with the process. Make sure the Whatnot application is installed on your device and you can open it up or launch the application. And on the welcome screen, once it loads up, you can tap on the option of sign up, or within the three options given below, you can select any of the option available. So for example, if you want to use email, you can tap on email. And once you do so, we can start the process. So we need to enter the required information. The first box we need to enter up our full name. So you can just go over and enter it up. And once you do so, right below it, we need to provide in our email or our phone number. So provide it in the section. So go ahead and provide it up. And once it is done, you can confirm up your password. For that, on the box right below it, you can create up a secure password. And once it is done, we can select up a country from where we're applying, where we're signing up. So you can select up from the bunch of options available. And once it is done, what we need to do is we need to agree with the terms of service and confirm that you've read the privacy policy. Similarly, you need to certify that you're at least 18 years older also. And once it is done, you can tap on sign up, and you just need to enter up the code in the application to confirm. And once it is done, you may basically add profile picture, username, or display name. So you can just go over and provide it up and create up a profile page for yourself. And that will help build trust if you plan to sell the items, and also use a very strong password for security, and also enable notification for the live auction, and make sure that the email and the phone number are accurate. And your account should be now created and you're signed in into what, and that's it. Now we have created a Whatnot account on mobile successfully. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.